Welcome back. Now let's discuss the solution of second exercise where we need to write a program to swap the value of two integer variables, but this time we are not allowed to use any third variable. So let's say two variables are var1 and var2, values being 5 and 3. In the last exercise we used a temporary variable to store the original value of var1. Now because we are not allowed to use any third variable, any temporary variable, so what we can do is we can store the sum of these two variables values into var1. So what we are saying is var1 is equal to var1 plus var2. So after this particular statement is executed, the new value of variable 1 will be 8 and var2 will keep its original value, that is 3. So here if you notice, now the variable 1 is actually having both the values, that is the value of variable 1 as well as the value of variable 2. It is just having the total of these two. We now in the variable 2 we need to get the original value of variable 1. How to get the original value of variable 1? That is to calculate the difference of the variable 2 from the total. If we do this, then the variable 2 will get the original value of variable 1. That is why we are saying var1 minus var2. And after this statement is executed, the new value of variable 1 will remain same as before, that is 8. And variable 2 will now change to 5. Right? Now variable 2 has got the original value of variable 1. And on the same lines, if we calculate the difference of var1 and var2, then the var1 will get the original value of var2, because now the current value of var2 is 5, whereas the original value of var2 was 3. So if we calculate the difference of 8 minus 5, then variable 1 will get the original value of var2, that is 3. So after this statement is executed, the variable 1 is going to get the value 3 and variable 2 will keep the value as before, that is 5. So if you see here, the original values of var1 and var2 were 5 and 3, and now the variable 1 and variable 2 value have been swapped and they have become 3 and 5. And after that we are just having one print statement to confirm the output of this program. So let's try to run this. And we can see here the output is coming as 3 and 5, whereas the original values are 5 and 3. I hope now this particular logic is clear to you. With this, thank you for your time in this chapter. See you in the next one. Thank you.